You knew that they were drinking antifreeze. You knew that. They didn't. We both know that. You knew, Diane, because you were giving it to them.
I didn't know what else to do. I really didn't.
I understand.
Ito si Diane Staudy, isang ordinaryong ina sa isang middle-class family. Pero paano nangyari na pinlano niya kung paano patayin isa-isa ang kanyang sariling pamilya? Pero hindi lang siya nag-iisa sa pagpaplanong ito. Ang kasabot nito ay hindi kung sino man kung hindi ang kanyang sariling anak mismo. Sama